Here's how you can reset advertising ID or perhaps delete the advertising ID on your OnePlus phone with Android 15. I'll show you where to go to find these and tell you what they actually do. When you're ready to find these settings, go into the quick access of your OnePlus phone and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you do this, you'll be taken to these set of options. Then go all the way down to where it says Google, or sometimes known as Google Services, this one right here. So go ahead and tap on it one time, this one right here, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video because I don't want you to see my email. Now, once you enter into the Google section, you will see Google Services. You'll also see your full email address right where my finger is, but I kind of moved up the screen so you won't see mine. Then I want you to go to where it says All Services right here. As you enter into the All Services, you're going to see the different settings and services from the Google Services itself. Now go down until you see the Privacy section, this one right here, and the Ads section right there. As you enter here now, you're going to be taken to this section here. And basically what this does is, have you noticed that if you started searching online for particular items and you suddenly start seeing advertising items of that same exact thing you were looking for, and possibly even if you've been talking to your friend on your phone about a specific pants or a dress or an outfit or some shoe, then suddenly you start to see them being advertised on the videos you're watching or browsing the internet, and you're wondering, how did that even happen? So resetting the advertising ID clears out what your phone might have learned about you recently. Now, if you want to kind of give it a full-on refresh and also remove the tracking of all that's found here in this section here, so if you go here, you'll see all of these here. You'll probably have a different set of numbers there. If you want to completely refresh everything, go into delete advertising ID. And once you do this, it's going to clear it out. Later on, get you a new one if you're ready by tapping here. And that's that. Like it's